420 Things Grow in Ontario. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. This is another unboxing. This unboxing is brought to you by Mars Hydro. If you're looking at this video and it's before November 27th, okay, in 2020, you're in luck. Check the link in the description. Go over to their eBay store, okay? And from November 27th to November 30th, 4 days only, it's their biggest sale of the year. Biggest promotions. If you're looking to get something from them, go over there at that point and you're going to get the best deal possible. I'd also like to mention that this video is where I'm going to be announcing a sponsor giveaway also from Mars Hydro. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. So, keep an eye on this video. All right? There's going to be something at the end. I'm going to let you know how to enter, okay? But first, we're going to dive into this unboxing. All right? So this unboxing is, as you can see on the link in the description, or not the link in the description, but the description itself is for a Mars Hydro light. Let's get into it right off the hop. As always, Mars Hydro stuff, very discreet, plain packaging. Doesn't really say much on it to give it away and let you know what this is. But TS3000 in here. Always super hard cardboard, right? So this is going to be help protect in shipping. Oh, what do we got here? We got a book, user manual book. Take a look at this a little bit closer later. And what do we have here? Meanwhile driver number 1. Meanwhile driver number 2. Okay, let's take a peek at these. Oh yes, sir. This has also got, it's a bit of a tangle here. I'm gonna have to get this situated, but it's also got the new box, daisy chain availability. Put a network cable in here, connect them together. Do on one what you do on one, it's gonna go to the other ones. Okay, so. That's cool. That's real cool. Okay, and then also this is the XLG 240, so 240 watts, H, A, and B. 240, so we're looking at 480 watts here, okay, between these two Meanwhile drivers. So let's get these drivers out of the box and off to the side so we can get this part out. Nice long cable. Let's see how long this is. So this goes from the cable just over 6 feet, and this will plug into the Meanwhile drivers apparatus and then plug. Okay. These don't always have to go on the light. You can mount these outside of your tent if you're worried about heat, but these lights run pretty chilly anyways. What's some information here? Let's get this light out here. Ooh, stickers. I love the Mars Hydro stickers. Let's get this out. Some wood on the bottom. The light was sitting on that, you can see. And some hangers. So let's get rid of this box out of the way. Man, that box is heavy and thick. There we go. Get this foam off. This foam off of here as well. And yeah. All right, so the light's out of its foam protectors. And this is what you got. All right.
All right, so this is a manual that they have for all their different lights, okay? And yeah, one, hang up, 4-foot steel hangers, okay, on here. Then, let's just do this real quick. Oh, even comes with this. Let's see what else it comes with. It comes with the cable, network cable, or phone cable, whatever you want to call it. Comes with the wire hangers, and it comes with the ratchet ones, okay? We're gonna hang this up real quick, get it plugged in. And I got my power meter here, we'll do a quick little test. But anyways.
Right on. So this light is ideal for a 4x4 flower footprint and a 5x5 veg footprint. I'm going to be using it in my 5x5 tent to see what it can do in there. Because I know there's a lot of people that have 5x5 tents and they're looking for some lights to put in there. And you know what? This light, at the amount that it is, not that bad of a light. Well, I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know. But if I compare it to the TSL2000, that light is doing good in the old 2x4 tent. All right, so then the next steps are, once you hook that up, get the ratchet straps in and put this in here and then plug it in. So we're gonna do that, okay? Once you get this in here, okay, I've got these snug. Probably gonna have to look at those because I'm gonna have to put the wires through. You gotta make sure you put them the right way so that when you hang it, it's not interfering, okay? And then in through the hole here, and then there's a connector underneath, which these plug into. And then each panel is driven by one driver on each side. Boom, boom. Okay, so now I've got both drivers connected. Okay, I have both drivers connected. Don't have this connected to power yet, but that's connected, that's connected. Next step, power, and turn on the light. So, again, you gotta make sure when you run these, you're doing it and it's free from, all right? All right, so the light is hanging at 30 inches off my table. So this is not the most ideal par testing, okay? But it is gonna be par testing nonetheless, okay? So what we gotta do here is my Hydro Farm cheap, cheapo Beepo gauge, okay? And at 30 inches, I'm just gonna go get some numbers here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I've got the light hanging at 30 inches and I just have it over the table. So it's nothing crazy. I'm not gonna be able to get super accurate readings and I'm not doing it in a 4x4 section, but I'm just kind of doing it on this table. So as you can see, the numbers start going up to there and then they start teetering off there. So it looks like at 30 inches with this cheap Hydro Farm meter, about 460, and then it tapers off to the sides, right? So I'm gonna drop it down to 20 inches and we'll see what kind of readings we're getting there. All right, so now we got the light in and around 20 inches. And I'm gonna do another par reading here on this table. So like I said, it's not exact. It's just kind of over the table, right? It's fairly close to the edge of the table on line. So, yeah. Give this to my cameraman here. And we'll go from there. So, all right. So, Now we're there. Oh, let me, don't want to block it. 6, 5. It's on the outside edge. 4, 6, 97, 60. No, you guys can see the numbers. I don't need to read them off. So, yeah. 830, 840. And you got to take this number with a grain of salt, right? Because this meter. Like I wish I had $1,000 meter. This is a $250 meter, and it sucks. Well, how is it at 7 there? What's going on here? Oh no, that's what I was, right? 8? No. Let me just redo this here. 7, 8, 8, 3. Yeah. 840 is about the highest. And again, I'm pretty much in the middle of the table of where that is, 840. So as you can see, it's the 840 number. And if you look at where we're at with the meter, it's kind of mid table. And here's the edge of the light here. All right, boom, and then edge of the light here, edge of the light here, right? So that's about the middle. So 840 is what it's running at 20 inches. So, yeah, I guess that's about it for this light, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to put this on pause, and I'll be right back. My cameraman has to help me with something, and then I'll bring you the information about the giveaway. So, be right back. So, I've got the light dimmed. I didn't really go over that in the unboxing video, so I'm going to, before we get to the giveaway stuff, this is the knob, and as I turn it, oh man, that's at 100%. I don't know if this camera's going to do it justice, but it's got all the way down. It's got a little bit of a hum. You hear that? I wonder if the camera's picking it. And that's at 25. So that was below, that's min. Get a little bit of a thing. I don't think I'd ever go to min anyway, so I'll probably be doing 25 and 75 or 80%. So yeah, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Be right back with the giveaway info. All right, time for the giveaway information. Now that you've watched this video all the way through and have seen the Mars Hydro light, if you would like to get your hands on one similar to this, well, you're in luck. 420 Things and Mars Hydro eBay store are coming together to send out one lucky subscriber from a random draw a brand new TS1000 light. Mars will be shipping it from one of their global shipping warehouses, so if you live in one of the following areas, this contest is for you: US, Canada, UK, Germany, Europe, Australia, and Russia. So go ahead on this video and give it a thumbs up. And in the comment, leave a comment and let us know you want to be entered into the contest. This will give you one entry. If you head over to Instagram and follow both myself at 420 Things Grow and at Mars Hydro, all one word, _ eBay, and post a cannabis related picture and tag us both in it and use the hashtag 420 Things and Mars Hydro, this will snag you one more entry. There will be one other Mars Hydro unboxing video coming in the near future, and this will also contain info on how to get your third and final entry. Each user that does one or all three of these entry types will gain one cell in a spreadsheet row, and each row is numbered. Once all the entries are finalized on the final day, a random number generator will be used to select a number at random of the total amount of entries, and the winner's name will be in that numbered cell. This contest will be running from the moment this video goes live to the 21st of December 2020. The draw will be on the 23rd of December, and once the winner is picked, the shipping will be arranged and it will be shipped directly from Mars Hydro. The mailing address cannot be a P.O. box. I'm sorry. This is all you got to do. Get yourself 3 entries, this one, and follow us over at Instagram, and the third one's coming. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as always, may your gardens be green, and a big shout out to Mars Hydro eBay store. Like, subscribe, and do all of that jazz.